In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily block account in Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to Facebook and then just open up someone's profile page we would like to block in that way. Once you've done that, just hit at these three dots and you will be taken to this page where you can easily find block option. If we tap at block, it will say us that this profile will no longer be able to see your photos, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, add you as a friend. If you are friends, blocking that user will also unfriend you. If you want to block them, just hit at block. That's how you can easily block account in Facebook. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.